Right, 2018 National Siren Test.
Hi there.
Dad's with me.
It's a big event.
Here's the boy.
Turn around and greet him.
Hello.
Tell him how nervous you are.
I'm really nervous. Whew.
Like a cat in a hot tin roof.
Yeah.
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 But
And so you know, this is what we're coming for.
One year it was cold.
That up there.
Yep.
One year it was pretty cold.
Oh. Then 2 years ago, 2011 was it when the siren didn't work?
I don't know. We have to look at your certificate.
It was because
It's not hot today.
no.
This is the first time we've had snow, I think, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's but there was one year that it was pretty cold. So
Very cold.
2017.
was that last year?
Yeah.
Oh, that was last year.
Because
That was cold.
More than 1 year.
yeah, 1 year this siren kept on going and going last year.
Yeah.
And I thought,
But we should probably tell the people why this is happening.
Ah, yes, one moment.
because just in case there's a tornado or a bad storm, these sirens just goes off and the siren goes off first. Then it tells us there's a tornado warning, severe weather warning, or any kind of evacuation plan.
Well, this test they do all over the state of Ohio, all at the same time, to make sure they all work.
Yeah.
And so, if the weather's bad, they don't do the test. Because if there was a real weather,
That's how it says.
there it is.
A test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
It's like a computer voice that tells us what to do, and it tells us what happens if there's an emergency happen, or it says this is a test.
This is a test. This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
That sounds better? Huh.
Exciting, isn't it?
Exciting, huh?
Yeah. This is how it works, like a football
A
stadium.
test. This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
Here comes the real part, the loud noise maker. That's what we call it in Ohio.
Everybody. Good morning. Welcome to the celebration.
You better cover your ears because this thing's gonna go off.
Yeah. Just made it, huh?
Didn't we?
Yeah.
Oh my. Oh, here we go. Maybe a little loud. I forgot how loud that was. forgot how loud this thing can be. Yeah. It's all because of that guy. Yeah. No idea how this is gonna sound later, but it's kind of cold, but it's for a good cause. Right up there. Yep. That's the end of that one. We have a few more to go. Yeah.
Just a chump. He's not even getting out of his car.
Heavens
There's
no.
a real professional.
Oh, okay. Yours are getting cold.
This morning I texted
There is the
Tim
jumping.
Phillips. I said, is it on or is it canceled?
Or not, okay.
Tornado
Hey, there we go.
warning. A tornado warning has been issued for this area. Tornado warning.
Oop, here's Mom.
She said, it's on. It's on at 9:50.
Right there.
Tornado warning. A tornado warning has been issued for this area. Tornado warning.
They do.
I would have been here earlier, but the lady in front of me thought it was an emergency vehicle and kept pulling over and stopping. And then I was behind her, and she kept like, what's the matter here? And I'm going, what's the matter with you?
Tornado warning. A tornado warning has been issued for this area.
The other side.
Tornado warning.
Every mile, corner of every square mile.
I heard it. Yeah,
So we
I heard
can't
it
hear
down
the
in
other one?
Wadsworth.
I can, yeah.
That's where she was stopping.
Tornado warning. A tornado warning has been issued for this area. Tornado warning.
Are you happy, Stephen?
Yeah.
Oh, he's been fretting all morning.
They were taking the bus for inspection at the highway patrol.
Our
And Jonathan
entourage, per se.
The
the
wiper.
wipers aren't working right.
Mom right there in her
That probably was
hat and stuff.
So
1 second
get
does
there,
gives
they're out
another
front.
one.
Oh, I don't doubt it.
This is
There it is.
a test. This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
Have you ever had a good day on a siren test then?
We haven't had one.
And the battery's getting low.
It's always cold.
It was cold last
I
year.
don't remember.
It's it.
This is a test of the emergency warning system.
I don't know how much more this battery is going to go. It's pretty low. So, I'll do what I can.
Huh?
This is a test. This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
No gloves.
Well, I had it in the trunk for a good while.
This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
heard it from the truck. I thought I heard that. So I said, well, no way. Yeah.
We're thinking this may be the end of the test. Not totally sure.
That's it. There we go.
Oh, daggum it. All right, we have been given confirmation that that is the end of the 2018 National Siren Test. All because of this guy. All right.
Barbara,
See you guys later.
coming up the interstate. Joseph,
Huh?
we're coming up the interstate. I'm doing 75 mile an hour in this narrow construction traffic, and he said, "Dad, speed up." I said, "Steven, I'm doing 10 mile over the speed limit." And we pull up past a semi truck. He said, "That truck needs to move. Does that truck need to be careful?"
Oh, that's not look good on it.
True story. Okay.